Sound check in progress for tonight's open mic at the Loaf and Dog. Miss Paisley.
And that's Buddy.
Yeah, that's Buddy right up there.
And Papa.
And Papa.
And Mommy up there.
Yeah, how about that? Sing me head, shoulders,
And
knees.
that's Daddy.
Yeah. Hey, sing me head, shoulders, knees, and toes. So I can check the sound.
And that's you would do. You can do this, okay? You do this.
Oh, you want me to go on this one? Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
No,
Knees
get
and...
off your camera.
Huh?
Get off your camera.
I'm videoing it.
No, get off your camera. No.
All right, here we go. Ready?
No.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Get it off there. There you go. Let me put it back up for you.
Oh, shoulders is okay.
Knees and... All right, hang on.
Hey, shoulders is okay.
Knees and toes. Hang on, I'll put it back up. Don't drop the mic. There you go.
Hey, shoulders is good. This is good.
You're hearing it right here tonight. Loaf and Dog, open mic. 7 o'clock. Bring your guitars. Bring your appetite. Show us what you got. Miss Paisley's checking sound out for us right now, so we got it going. So, hey, Loaf and Dog tonight, open mic. Right, Paisley?
Yeah.
All right.